Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pancakes without baking powder. First, gather your ingredients: flour, eggs, milk, sugar, and a fat like butter or oil. We'll focus on creating that light, airy texture using clever substitutions. You don't need any special equipment, just a bowl and a whisk. Let's get started on these delicious, fluffy treats. Baking powder is a common leavening agent, meaning it produces gas bubbles that make your pancakes rise and become fluffy. Without it, your pancakes might turn out flat and dense. The key is to find other ways to introduce those tiny air pockets into your batter. We'll explore how to achieve this using everyday kitchen staples. It's simpler than you think.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
The most effective substitute involves baking soda combined with an acid. Baking soda needs an acid to react and produce carbon dioxide. Good acidic options include buttermilk, lemon juice, or even white vinegar. Just a small amount, like 1 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 cup of buttermilk, can create a wonderful rise. This chemical reaction is your secret weapon. Another fantastic technique is incorporating whipped egg whites. Separate your egg yolks and whites, then whip the whites until they form soft peaks. Gently fold these airy whites into your batter just before cooking. This adds incredible lightness and fluffiness. Also, sifting your dry ingredients together helps aerate them, contributing to a lighter pancake. Every little bit helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.